lakini maandishi yao si mageni kwao, si ndio? Kule na ndio kaunti ya Kisii tuko sawa. Masema no yo mintukura se kaunti ya Kisii Sophie Nyarangi akondani abatabanga na ere kaunti ya Kisii muri goto tiema ikiagera na matangi mtibya Nyamira bigotoka Kisii kaunti nero kila kitu igasenchira bine kima murobene ngwana ya Getembe tugusangana gukwana mangana siasa chorogongo mangana ringite siasa che kaunti ya Nyamira biga mangana ringite hulla mumanyi umheshimiwa kulinde nduma ikira bale asinze cha mumbe bakole kwa baheshimiwa ama namna gani Gege kaunti ya Kisii ogora nyono ya lead ya kimundata ngero no mheshimiwa ama namna gani kulinde ya masema muko nganchira ikiangera nge tubwate gentleman yamo mule katikati ya subati muko nganchira bega senchira bene kimali tukurara kuna ladies first torara chaka no Abasae Isaac Mogoko. Asante sana, thank you for coming bro, good to see you. Asante, karibu sana ndio kwa kamera yako itakeka ya moyoka na yokore yakira ikuko for just a minute para tema na chaningo na boy go aspara antombia bali karibu mbia mano jaza mre tango Isaac Mogoko Samuel ngere tente township ward Nyamira eto ajira kwanda mangana siasa I'm a student ngosomera mangana siasa Chatoni University lakini sire kukora ano mure kwa Abasae nawekere wika rero tukwani siasa Otera maro tu wanapatiwa. Una tokende kwa Nyamira. So leo tuko hapa because asante sana for inviting us. You're welcome sir. We don't take this for granted. You're welcome. Ndio kuilea ase usiku na pressure itaongea tu kwa na mna kerena bwana yeso yes. Asante sana. Tuko hapa. Thank you so much. Unaisaka Mogoko si Mogoko. Mogoko masa mkora se kaunti ya Nyamira bwana yetu chukubwatira na gentleman mavere tolego iyo equation iko sawa wika anse lidi yako nganchira na utika kidogo na rasa so mheshimiwa kiagara yangu atika ko to salie state gete kole ndora rasa so mheshimiwa je rida karibu sana mbia mono aseri bago muraria umwancho murigerere Getembe TV asamarita nkuru kujerida ibongia yaro nkuru ase sub county ya Manga county ya Nyamira na rengo mo MCO Mochore gwe chama ya Kenya National Congress ase county assembly ya Nyamira ase ntunda yo mwaka wechiri wibere na ya 15 ibere wiko mwaka wechiri wibere na 22 ase tuwasabe timu yake yonsi na ande tukakora successfully currently ntore bado ase siasa na ndikunya kusukuma tole ntore gusemba to irolie kerasi ekyo uchimi yake gujimotwe gusitoga enderere guchigoro wake biya mona seri baga naende ikinda nyari goteba rero congratulations wechase Shabane timu ya ite nene Shabana neye mo duniani yakorere ngiye ntekebe. So congratulations Michira, tunakupenda sana sana biya mama. Thank you so much. Alafu tutara so ase Lydia ebi ntebi ya Nyamira bigotoka, what do you mean? Community nga nche Nyamira nkorwa. Yes. Na ande usokoligereria abasubati mbali Nyamira ali abaya I identify with na kikingo teberanga abantu ebintu bya Nyamira bigotoka na baba Jacqueline Mumanyi uyore CEO uyo kabeiro mu Minister for Finance uyo beiro mu Chief Officer na aroriro mushimwa ngokora nere gasi umusani ono moneno kuri ku Honorable Irene Mayako yoro mujumbo Mochore bwe chama ya ODM musani ono monene kabisa na basani bana abanga basubati ngo identify na barabu. That is why I usually say ebintu bya Nyamira bigotoka na ende I am proud of Nyamira gekwana no kineri no somete no ntachitenze ngachi primary school ali Nyaikuru ngakineroro kabisa ngaenda Sironga Girls na kimbere proud to be one of the people that come from Nyamira. Thank you so much. You know mheshimiwa agatanga bete asubara ikura senya mwaka 2017 ko mwaka 2022 inse kiamagiria Kenya National Congress KNC kolinda eva ko mataba Beril Nyaware akondani nabo gata bangenza ya bintu bya korwa se county ya Nyamira mase mwikase Lydia Kemuntu. Good to see you, karibu sana.
Good to see you too. Thank you so much. Getembe TV. My name is Lydia Kemunto. Nkorwase ward ya Bunyamatuta, West Makirango constituency, Nyamira County. I'm a youth activist from Nyamira County and I'm a vice chair lady for Nyamira Trailblazers Association. an association that is meant for advocating for good governance, good leadership, and transparency from these political leaders. So nkobariga ni mwensi ochase shoye totebani tonyare gosemania torore go say as the county go as a country ngaitorigere to go chari we heading to the right direction. We say tumepoteza mwelekeo hapa katikati kama mwananchi, are we happy with our current leaders ama we need a change? So thank you so much.
Karibuni sana abamintu tingo baruka waheshimiwa mwensi kiara ba mnaduru mheshimiwa na ateba but then you forgive my manners iko lito tirta samangana yolengete korwase county ya Nyamira tetu chake masemdu naanza na wewe Lydia na boigo konganchira asinchira bene kigma torocho mkami yo mheshimiwa Hulda Momanyi boigo representative electors chinsa mjiri Minnesota United States of America timaiti a significance ko ndeke do say importance ko ndele unachite homecoming timaiti from where you sit na kwa kerocha.
For me, I think the Gusii leaders wanted a sense of what they get, their sense of belonging. Na intorienda to be prouding na intukorwa sense ya Gusii umwana itochire chinse chesiko she has made us proud. So I think it was significant. I mean, it was relevant in a way. Kagere bate to go take ownership of our own daughter who has gone to the foreign land and to make her proud. So it was significant.
Apart from you as an individual proud amangana ning teula Momanyi, what lessons ko arang ko rasa?
I've learned that as women we can make it, and no matter where you come from, you can still make it. It doesn't matter you come from Africa, you come from where. But whenever you're going to, you'll make it. Yes.
Thank you so much. I'm getting back to you. Mheshimiwa Lydia Karao ni Mheshimiwa Jerida. Thank you so much. Boy got to the sama ngana lingite Mheshimiwa Hulda Momanyi. From where you sit equally. Everything along the baby. I'm coming here.
Be mano. I'm coming here Hulda. Ena go beta sana gekwera abarai baito ba Gusii bakora uno mu chief whip Honorable Soro. Ababale teteamo sana kubagania bonsi bache kuchengera omwana wito oyo nyorire the seat ya House of Representatives in the US na nde yarenge okoleta abantu baito amo koleta bagusiamo na kuchengera omwana minto nyorire ekirugo asense ya isiko yeri etali raisi inche buno musubati onago getibu sana because you know that means it's going out there and conquering the world. Ekero ko enda skali uno musubati wachikoligi chikura teli raisi no ani gaiga do what a lot of challenges chi to go face muna basubati ekero to koligi chikura na go sekoligi ebirogo ekero Hulda anyole kirogo mumbu na ronde tayo ogetu etwago kasana so okoleta koru ogocha guchengera Hulda okolenta barai baito amo akobo kobeki orokera linga tuensi pia keretu guchamo great things happen inche nago gete asingencho osoro bunareta tabantu bali bonsi amo. It means if we come together tutige kunya chisegi chinke tonya toigwana ne bujaiga we will make great things. So abenga buna we will translate that uno gochobora ibwanka ngatali chisegi kera lituko abutogo chatwara ikaransa twara geramu twatengamu twatogania twatebania magosa sare and twarusania magoso. So it means as umusubati on the Gwensi who is trying to look for a position, it is possible that we can make it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wewe gato sasa Isaac ile ngile mbiri baby kwatkana na event ile Mheshimiwa Hulda.
Ndege tangani I'm very happy about Hulda. Again the nasa mtakuru ase Hulda. Nasa mtakuru mbiri. Ndege tangani tobe persistent and patient. Ingevi ntebiya ibigocha asibari bakoga. Good things come to us wait. Greetings. Moskoli, we are very proud of her. At least Nahindu, Atras really Takenya. Karago Oguan Nana Senga Ulnanya Miracle, we say proudly. Though the Vanga no man tend to Badam So Dogo Betasa no Moskoli. That was an achievement.
Lesson ya kwala netu ya san individual match asinga no mosacha lesson sikwala ne korasala.
We don't give up. Karogori no jibi chia ya garage na TikTok, Facebook. Nimdu twa me wirwanelere wika sai kile bodinga. Na ba ko tebanga kero ko ligi pasani mbe gotoko lakini kero kwa nyona libagocha twachiro won kera nyori.
Yes. Thank you.
No mondomia and we're very proud of her.
Thank you so much, Lydia.
Yes.
Looking at it, what is stopping our women, Amagusi women, contest also vai? Especially even the county and Nyamira to chinga ba swati mba soke 2022 koligi birogo birengete birito tanga ne bya basacha equally was ne bya bakungu beyonce. Much from where you sit, what is stopping you guys?
Not what is stopping us, but the rende kero korigeri closely during our grandfather's times. Yalinginga, women cannot lead. Women, they are meant to cook, bagende roche, bali chingo. But now tradition and culture is going through a transition, whereby now someone like Hulda has set a bar high, like never no musubati, never no musacha, anyone can lead. Because what matters is no skills, chokobo morai. So what was stopping us before, it's the victimization maybe.
Is that an assumption, Ama? Is just something in your question?
Yeah, it's true. Kerogo tenango choro kopoli kerogo na baba ndo bakora aboli bono musubati olia na nyari. My wish can attest to that. You face through a lot of challenges whereby na boko genda say you want to address people go sengo campaign yore, they cannot give you a chance to address them, mama speak to them simply because they feel women are not in a better position to lead. But one thing that I'm happy about nearing a tradition and culture that are going through a transition whereby now women are coming out in large numbers. Unaweke example Hulda, Mheshimiwa Irene Mayaka, so many among others. One of our chakre gotoro ki opening a way for us nga, no matter where you come from, even if you're a woman, you can still lead.
Give us a case study, say County Nyamira, such a thing will happen. Monta that was most what I think to address one.
No, I cannot be specific,
yes.
but it happens.
For real?
Yes, sometimes it happens. Not only in Nyamira County, but it happens across the country.
Mheshimiwa Jerida, is it a matter of fact? Nga about don't go to one back one. Asene.
Biamono. Amatuka mange o wose chintunda chinyenge. Talinga ogote bunga karansa. It can't be said directly to you sometimes, though it happens. Okonyora ngaki ngabasubati okonyora muri segregated style gete ngaki musubati ngo yogo chakwa na gaiga no soro jafeti na kibagendi kwanyora bande mbayo nyato kwerwanira guchigora ali na baba irini bakumyoka ali batanga na bosi ali bakwana babodonya bakwana ali bararutirwa magena ondeta yogo chokoligeri bageri okwana buno mukungu bakabweligeri lakini naende buno okochukweligeri bagali naende bakoligereti ngaki ngo mwaere liribaga nsimbo mwa onye nsimba batanga ki olia oli nsimbo mwali baga. You get me what I mean. Bakuligeri ngaki ya nyalibo o ajerida libaga kwa natenga ajerida gotaetere to nyalibo igoro bakaenda kusamba kusene mboli bakaenda kwa wosene basha asegede waigule lakini rende ekero abasubati anene bakukwana batakero kwana kusene in political rallies kusene public events nabako nyoromo no abasacha bakolire gepindi ngadonya kago chaga atakwana waigule ebina bintu bigokoreka na bigokoreka in the background lakini to komanya bali go chara bagotenga kiya yetu go chukwana gama okonya tate kipindi gasatiri ali wate unga kino enkero go kelike baliri yetu go karanza uchi ke plastic muinali so event yera ukumeti gabo ngakina nchene women account MP inde ga tinkuaneti what happened konya ngani kipindi kiya bangira so it's not directly, it's really intimidating ekara basubata bakonyora. We really feel bad.
Thank you. I'm getting back to you. Toda sasa Isaac, whatever the two ladies were isiri gaiga. Nick maneko from kerokolia mangana iga like busiwe karaboni iga bado kuna victimization ono atero na maiga mangana kidogo ngabasupati mbali kutoka mbele.
Yes. Ngara. Amangana victimization about most of the ladies. Sawa tabanga. Alinga karote nono karote de gote na una tlabasa. Tigangi chabu o proof something. Kero te gote na uno musara maro gote una ki andora agora ki
ranyo
so na wasara te una ki
yes
inga endo kere agoro kuna mel chuvindism ata una ki musuva ta agora ki ta goto gambira ego Kisii kwara musuva te go kwana ata vanga no ina ngiaru na rangia nyare alle mi del quando skole giri ana bagavana pare Kenya abasubati tujakire gradi zivango mapirika ichirani ega sia korre inaonekana nomoni usito sikuti kama ngana victimization women tuna mbali
My question to you is, abagabaja victimize Abaswati, is it women ama ni women versus women?
And men and male for youth is a youth, and likewise, omo visa wo mokungu no mokungu. Na baba jabato ati ntogo ni nya to kwan over gangi. See, mbaro.
Thank you. Lydia.
Yes.
Into Abasate toko waete stress o seni mo waete stress ino Abaswati Abaswati.
For me, inko machkoranga ye koru from both. But rende asaba so tu asaba sobati a story. Ngo chatore tu ababa. Ko chaya na torasi nini. But now, as I said earlier, one things have changed. When I see my sister Jerida here making steps, I'll be proud of her because nima itenere na ikambo atoko kokasi gete. So as the kama ile organization that I mentioned, NTN from Nyamira County, we are advocating for youth leadership and good leadership. So when I see a woman, maybe ateni nekerogete, we will strive so hard to support her. Yes, like we are trying to change that notion inga basubati mbakora enobo chaya nyokutlevenga na into as women we are able, we can do this.
Looking at it equally, to take a county Nyamira, county of possibilities. Lydia, yes. Ahead of 2027, of course campaigns in Jerachak, but you can tell nga je read anata getendo fulani, lead anata getendo fulani. So far kuna yule mtu amejitokeza county Nyamira uno mspati atanga na nchini nkare asigete. Auditor atanga one example which is abantu. Ama it's just here says mwa tabanga waswati ntode Nobogambi.
So far mosbati ndo chote neno tatenga ngutate tasuke levogete jerusha mumani. But as time goes by, we are expecting more. And that when they come out in large numbers, we will surely support them. Yes.
Thank you so much. Mheshimiwa Jerida, the same question to you. Abaswati kwa county Nyamira. Let's just check nyumbani. So far, bado wanakiri interest ya anything.
Abaswati na wange sana mayete ba wanakiri interest. Na ande that is what we are advocating for. That we have very many women. Tochiko ikire level ya abasacha na barugende bagucha bato bekire top up. Abuno tutagetenga na intutoba abange, for example in parliament or in county assemblies na abasacha nende bato top up. Nduntonya ko bato top up. So abasubati mbara ora abange, and I can mention a few. Musubati buno yitwa chakiro kurukujerusha mumanyi na hata gitobo gabana. Ekara chiro bogabana utotigire kirugo kere very empty. Bono iga eto bwato muswati kurukuhone bwa Irene Mayaka kumyokia bantu Nyamira kweli ukokora chi tournament y'imipira bona bono iga gotwarure tournament yarengega ali Kerenyo yali ko sponsored na Silas Kerosi twagenda ku support twamwirire imipira yetwa no muswati yo kurukuhone bwa Irene Mayaka igo.
So you confirming Irene Mayaka is running for women?
Yes.
But ine city no bado
ine yubono mongina tayo mongino chire
but musada ko kero kino right
tanche iri kuboli express tanche iri kuboli kero yekyo tande bona abasacha ntunturuchi nga abasacha bakale ko babaivi bona abange.
What do you mean?
Ekogera nchendo chi Senate. I usually follow Senate summons. Chiaba gavana abange sana. And nkuranga magoso gagotoka every time. Ondata yonje nanya goro gwira ne limaswali buya igo. Una abandi bagucha bara buli bate babalingi mikutano gusenkai. Likago tebanga ki resources chiatu megete igo tere no mukutana alenge. You see. Bono abantu njendo chibara nyari chi county echi. Tuisa komenta ba kungu chi gavana. Babo Gladys Wangaba. Babo mili mabona bamente bayende kuchigoro babo lyo bogavana bono njena bondo chi county echinyare obo ibi bwa bakungu nogo ke
someone
chinyeni baraibe lakini
baro no we right
chinke lakini aba bande bakwe bakachipara baira wese butu kuchipara chairu kiugo chawa basacha batosibire lakini ndabangina nabange bari.
Mheshimiwa, someone is telling me va number to SMS ira pa screen mwanchumurira tabanga. Most of the Kisii women and Nyamira women, they prefer kuba nominated compared to kuba elected. Why? I'm getting to you by the way now.
Una kwanire previously. Ekero tokurigere buya abasubati aro una currently ntora abo bake uchire birogebu obo babo itobore anenenga una tuate abasubati ntore chiene maybe our own enemies. Talinga bone gentiki giasirire, it is still there. Aboko nyongo tara no musubati ganche mbuga ngaki buya toga karega ngena tananyora kuchiese mungu ino ga gotanga oyiyaja oyinchino chiyaja ta kunyara nje musacha getengo support onye genteke ntoko kerusi asetore in our midst it will never happen a year I will promise you lakini bono ekero toko support anie basubati ekero maitenga ki my sister Lydia nkonyora ari gento minyo korora na nje motenga ki ya Lydia na inchi wona ari giga nimbwate no ena aka women based organization na kitora kore tukatumia tokonya abangina bandi that is the spirit lakini bono chinkoro cheto ni chinkongu and we are human beings of course lakini ongo sabanga ki abangina baito tigatuanchani ekogera bono kuna Nyamira tebwate musubati obe ore elected musubati na akaberi Nyamira orenge elected twice kurokukale na tuya na Robert elected twice after that rende buna ata kunyora chikora chintunda 2022-2027 tachi tujit konyora musubati ndo kwense elected in Nyamira Kisii county imanye to musubati yomo Beatrice nere bieka onye ndi tuwatiga mangana yayo kuba nturi abakungu ni ntu abange pibaide tura abange nande twaimoka twagenda kwake kura it is very important that is how we will speak twaimoke mambi twake kura obwate kura ayo karanste nyombo tiketo wachaka kuoman that is what I say women should support her.
Thank you. Before I get to Isaka, Lydia,
yes,
back to you. Looking at it, Abasae wanga want to nominated as compared to Baba elected. Why?
Coach Anaranga, most of them it's not their fault. As we said earlier, it's because of the hardships and challenges that they go through to get these seats. But now I'm happy that there are super women out there that are making a way for us, that have made a breakthrough, so that to achakire kwa understanding in as much as it might be hard, at the end of the day we will get there. There were venye mheshimiwa amesema hapa, women let us love one another because we understand each other more than this other gender. So tiga tuanchane nende tutige gocha umento konyora kuna umuntu karanstega kwa ndo mukutano okobo women repo kuri kwanyora bangna ali kenyoro bacharo te abono dia no neke songo ego no neke kusinama ito kwa like they don't look at you from the angle that you can lead them. Baucha ba focus on minor issues. Ngabono mosba theory no neke kusita metiko kwa ne bichara igabe geterangi yanga tabege tikwerende. So such kind of things they cost us. They don't want to look at us gosa so mosba yo tenende kronga nari in a position yokora. Let us stop focusing on these minor issues. Na intubuna baswati gosaba kungu we come out in large numbers come 2027 we support each other so that we can make our county and our country better.
Thank you so much. Before tutachu kukora manaringete women leadership, Isaac kuri muna leader terenga this other agenda, you know kero tanga agenda you know what she means. Honestly speaking, are we ready for women leadership? Asara ngora usi
from perspective ya kusi bado watu wa kunera notion ngaba sifat bago to kamera but nin tora change nation ya you nende to wadra ne aba sifat ya banyana barabu baje nini karamonda chire nane ko oro sino gavana patiga mangana la victor zenga moyo musbat na rai group en bagora macherusha jero tigache ngize tigache jike tigana ndo nyaga to gavana ache choro jike neri abasikaba baro babo musikejere no mheshimiwa
yes
na Lydia babo atrene tako ranga na wose musike Lydia tebne ko naro gafana na ngese njoyenda mwamo ile moko na wata bana ki tikandene ne koreki musariri yote agotokonya.
Thank you so much. Mwachumali tanga sanga Abasae no mheshimiwa Jerida Abasae mukwana manu baraibwa county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira bagia mangana ringete baraibwa baswati na Abasae bono yo minto Isaac bakubatana na Lydia Abasae mukolendo ikram no ngora chiri mutumuko kidoga sentunde yegen tangani tochukura nangendo kumanyayo na yanda mankunili tanke mango kwinyora tunga wikraboniga team ya Man City niwe ayikolire team ya Manchester United golemo asirigena yesagereta ikanemerongo etane bere na isano nemwe go wikraboniga Man City bagante kora ase enko ye USS mina nebyo via EPL no to wakama smali ntune tangani kwena nande asentune akabere tukwana mangani burai wa Abasae toska.
Getembe Prime Distributors gubao kumanya buna bono iga mbabwate ebintu by'obwagachi aho buna bono chichuma cy'obwagachi chichi company chonse chibirengo byonse chibi PC type chonse chisimiti mbabwate buna bono Rhino na Bambure mbabwate chain link type chonse boigo mbabwate ebintu by'echi bathroom gose bathroom accessories buna bono soap dish shower toilets ne toilet tap mbabwate tile ao chichikara ao nebirengo ao mbabwate marble kala ao mbabwate tire gose lightings type chonse mbabwate lock birengo ne type ao mbabwate merangwa size ne type ao mbabwate sink chonse pe boigo mbabwate amabati board ao buna MDF na gypsum boards mbabwate chirangi kora crown paints na dura paints boigo mbabwate machine ilia kuburukania yakwa irangi elio tagete mbabwate machine ao buna bono power saw blower sakila saw mbabwate helmet na boigo ebikoro tubiri by'uburendi gose safety shoes asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0717-603-030 0790-904-844 Incho Getembe Prime Distributors bwenyorere ebintu biga aserigulirigi.
Etuka yo womo ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutuka milulu cy'ubusongo igiye konya ebintu ao aseli gulirigo kona n'umubuko nkonya bale ebintu by'ubwagachi buna bono amabati kurwasi company ao emesumali y'echingenjo cyonsi chichuma cy'ubwagachi c'echingenjo cyonsi chiwaya buna bono binding wires chiwilbaro chisimiti cy'ubwagachi kurwasi company ao egati ebintu binde binge by'ubwagachi moigo mbabwachi boards buna chiricha MDF egati ebintu binde ebinge asinse mu y'ebintu by'enyumba nkonya bale mattress c'echingenjo cyonsi nabigicire cheche size ao mbabwate chitangi cheche size ao nkonya bale boigo ebintu byokulya buna bono amabuta y'echingenjo kurwasi company ao amasi ya mandasi kurwasi company ao aya yokoruga chichumbi chisukali egati ebintu binde byobotumeki Uhuru Superstores igababwa tobo korelyo buya chingatoko bule bintu asetukeye mbabwate customer care ebyego segasekera chi customer buya chingaki bakobora ebintu igababwate chigali ekyo chigokora obusombi busapi chingake kwagulire ebintu biga uchande onsi aliya sorabe igobagotoka ime yo mu cy'ubusongo ase nyumba ya JM Towers angene duka ya Safaricom ime yo mu cyokisi asamange bakeresi migweterase chinamba cyabo 0111161500 gose 0111116150 gose weterase nambede 0111161502 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2025 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC certified teachers, expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, hygienic kitchen and dining area, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, skating, modeling, debates, scouts, and inspiring music programs with adequate training equipment. Our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2025 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 882397 or 0729 658 659 for more information or to book an interview.
My name is Dylan Musa. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. Welcome. My name is Kaiden Zabangwen. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. I welcome you to our school where we learn and play.
Timiza School. Discover your best.
Biake gimo mwancho mwirindo chapto isageka ikomina isano ne mwiri chinsa isato chemaro ko bayalero kukwana Abasae mamangana alingeto baraibu Abasae bega mangana alingeto bokorera se orogongoro ito rwagusira rero tubwata maya Abasae gigaseka yese studio bende benki wanaongea Kizungu na Kiswahili chijenzi nesi nyinge chire kolende amoko babera eria rero nditora kwana mangana alingeto baraibu Abasae boingo inewe kraboniga account ya Nyamira to guchakire account ya Nyamira to chake Abasae mo no muheshimiwa Jarida. County and Nyamira Kraboniga, are you ready for youth leadership? You know what I mean?
Ndiya mono muralia. County and Nyamira ntobwata muchando moke, especially as a operator youth on board on matters of decision making. My feeling is we pull up our socks. Yani tote menga kitoko kora abana nabarobu babe included on the decision making table. Gekogera. If we look at even the whole country is made up of 75% are youth. And youth are very productive nowadays. Abana are very, very productive. I was so happy. Kora abana getegari na ibas Kisii town iskali. Bagwaka chibicha, there are so many there. It means abana bamba bwenete koko new style gete. Bagodi no anichi camera iga no serikali bakonye. They should be included. Bare tu talinga nechi gasire. Na baba kwa kuchigasi yes lakini chigasi tali Jones chiroro but wa support you banse biashara because business is a backbone of the economy. But
back to my question Mheshimiwa. Yes. Nyamira county. Molere diko chora Abasae as elective seats.
Nyamira county to chora Abasae. Mchakere no MC o township ward. Ne youth kabisa kurukutu kumasira. It means it is a sign that we are very ready for chora Abasae. Na enda ba MC mbara alimu na babo juja buga baraba bantu banene. It means they are very productive.
What about top seats?
We are very ready.
Top seats are second.
Top seats ndobugate ndore very ready. Yakwera bajumba baito mbara oroba ko ba oroget science. Chuko ligyo obogaba na mu jumba no kuru honorable Gisairo. Mark that boy. He is going to not boy, I'm sorry, I withdraw. Mark that gentleman, yes. My member of parliament, Nyokaro Bogavana very soon. And then go Sangiari again, thank you. We are very ready. The youth, Abantombara Toro Chega, we are going to mark them, and we are going to make very good decisions in the future. Abagaka, Kobarusitoro, home. Abagaka, Baribe Maneta, speak home. Aba youth Bogatocho.
Thank you. Isaac. Tima, I think Mheshimiwa Minister Tanga Bagaka Bari. From where you sit to the Akara Mavera na Jarida Mheshimiwa. Waga kamera bia to kwana.
Wala to kwana.
Yes.
Apira.
Mayo to na patio.
What do you mean?
Mogavana.
Tukolai.
Nyamira ndo wadishi. Uja mogavana.
His Excellency yamos kimomi nyaribu.
Omocha no nyari. And I dare say it. Na live. Omocha no nyari.
What do you mean? Like Omochando in what context and perspective?
Yana uli muske.
No to mboli korangana.
Sawa.
Yes.
Yango ngwera ndingo kuvote.
Yes.
What can a 83-year-old see on the new Abasae do?
You tell us.
How can she articulate any issues affecting Abasae? Nyamira ndo wati basi basome. Aranyare go okare nduna. Honestly. This is one to Abasae Nyamira bali bandi gere tubonika. This time to amwe. Which are governor, we vote to me to a Kechigura to no government because to have a dog on for a lot of time. I'm going to vote for a Yakavere, Baguna to Nina was covered. Around here, when Nyamira, we must make a change. And the Belena at the Omania, Omaka 8 British in a summer, which I get a that's over governor, over senator, over women rep, Irene Mayaka, over MCA.
Let me ask you, by the way, Irene Mayaka, okay, can you go on Abasae? Age bracket, you go on Abasae nearly.
35 and below.
Irene Mayaka, make it okay. No, I just got raisi. Inyi wote ndo watu wa Irene.
Hapana.
Ulikuwa game penye mheshimiwa Jerida alikuwa?
Hapana.
Or are you reading from the same script? Yes.
It is that he When Nyamira, no, nothing in there. I think when you was in Kojoguara for 3 years, was a good already. Neither they be get Parliament. Irene.
Mheshimiwa Isaac, just hold on. We're going to ask you to go Irene. There was also more scale Lydia. Like Kero blame for instance mheshimiwa Amos Kimomnyari Burabu no running no deputy mheshimiwa Daktari James Onicho. Who should we blame? Is it Abaraya Bacho or was never bag?
Point of correction, Brenda have not come on live saying that with the problem. You Isaac,
yes.
You will address that. But the render, for me, I feel like Nyaribo was elected by the people of Nyamira County. So if at all we are blaming the governor, then we should blame ourselves because we are the one who voted for him. And if the people of Nyamira County are not comfortable and they're not happy with our governor, then we know the only way out is taking this thing through a political process. But now the question comes in, do we have a potential candidate from Nyamira County?
My question exactly.
Who will take this position? And yes, if we have this potential candidate, does he or she have what it takes to be a leader and pull Nyamira County from the whole? You see, Nyamira County, you are lagging behind in terms of everything. When it comes to development, the roads are impassable. Everything in Nyamira County, I feel like it's a problem.
Ante to what I would take a Moligo, Naranyuro Moligator, and Nino, whatever you Mquivo, we carbon get team Manchester United, we get team area Man City. Ni draw, 1-1, Daikania 90. Kuitara somo chezaji Fernandeza nikabekere egoli ya Manchester United asete kaya 88 imete kwa mwatakire ko ndoma ya chini kakigete ko ndona waniga najua sasa mnaweza bahatiana advice. Yes.
Yes. So if at all we are blaming the governor then the people of Nyamira County have a problem. And now I'm telling them when it comes to 2027, and now already swearing on yes, we have a potential candidate who is taking his position. And yes, if you do have a potential candidate, does he or she have what it takes to be the governor of Nyamira County? Because Nyamira County have a very big problem. And then we need a strong leader, starting from development all the way up to education, all the way to infrastructure. And when it comes to 2027, I don't know if it's Nyamira County.
Actually, it's Nyamira County.
Paka Kisii County. Yes. Getembe TV and lack when it comes to 2027 gaki, na karanza kora analyze yo more yo wakeregura. Mora itago chalio kwa 200 okuemia alikuwa kakemambi kwenda wake kura, not analyzing and scrutinizing this candidate well, because we really need good leaders, and as much as unaiza kateba and mheshimiwa Jerida teba, we need youths as leaders. Egerando chenga no very able, and let us empower these leaders to bring them on board, and we give them a chance to lead.
Thank you. Thank you. By the way, I know Manchester United. Man is leading 2-1. Team ya Manchester United abuga nimetenga nako ketenge team ya Chelsea kulende sisi kama Manchester United, we can't complain, man. So far so good. Kulenda ikirage na tumanchwe ngo kunyira tu whatever bayishimwa ababa nawe basa abayiga tabuga ati boma tubode bwese na Getembe Television onye ba dismiss for instance mo governor obo ekine chingwana chawe masayemo kulende tali chingwana cha Getembe Television gose cha Sagini. Yes.
Individually.
People know about when wachakire watenga si mimi si umesikia.
Individually.
Let me ask you, by the way, to go to na sumeshima Jerida.
Yes.
Looking at it again. Nyamira, it's a county referendum of abantu bagosoka basamba yo. Okay, who is the problem now? Is it
problem?
Is it that utari gosoka no Sailia gose
Jana bongo temanso okay?
Yes.
Lakini ndio sokoro chiricha itona wangina bali baitu bali enkali. Moyo kiongozi bunaweza kiasoke. Umete the one very question they will ask. Mumroli tanywa meti. Nchibona arache gotoka.
Igotara nyoma wako opo. Yes.
So okonyoranga I'm in a better position to lead, and I have what it takes and the skills to lead. But now my people cannot allow me to lead them because I like something like one of meti. They look at my age, they say I'm just 24 or 25. Or no mwana nkibona racha atokonya nchomonto 40. And most of the time okonyora unanjitenda rosi bintu buya go size kaga. Kwanyora abantu baite bate to ba 200 kera litoka kwa underground.
Keraota mheshimiwa igo look at a case study ya Salasia Peter. Mo bunge kurasi nsema cha Mumias East. He had no money. He had go contest as in Samachiri. Does it meaning our way about a different political landscape compared to Kisii and Nyamira?
Not that they have a political landscape, but now these are different regions with different beliefs. Yeah, and that's why I said earlier on, we are going through a transition whereby now we want our mothers and our fathers. We are going to even offer civic education on our mothers and fathers and grandfathers. But there is much more into politics and leadership other than age, money, and all that. Yes.
Thank you so much, Mheshimiwa Jerida. You have the resources. Why are we not seeing you going for an elective post?
We are monusano Muradia. Muradia kwenda for an elective post. Talibuno kwa naigo. Taliraisi go. It's not 1+1. Bako we package bija sana. Una oyo mtolidi atavire. You must package yourself very well in terms of even your mind. You must be fasting. You must be mentally stable. Puna na bogo absorb into very tu are shock absorb basket size.
Yes.
Na mbaivere nchetina agenda for a political position asing into our society's training, especially when it comes to finances. Etu achetu ntutu wa iboletu tukanyoranga kulikuanga na maziwa ya Nyayo. Tukanyoranga abantu mbali bakachire bali moyo etansali para wena nebesa. You know that is where it started. Waniga ntongainana ntotangainana. Politics talk into politics without money. Abantu baito banalire umujumbe nkora ro tali kwena na besa akuruko umujumbe kurukubisa irene sukali yakwena ne bintu bide eretana liti bantu baje besa. That is very true. Lakini society yetu kakina benalete chibesa igo. So first you must be prepared psychologically. Isikabu pressure na error nyingi sana, especially for women na bantu bali single. Nende pressure tiriko basa abasubati boka. Nona basacha nko bachirere in terms of families kwanyoro se mbakora nite makoso makego umuntu kwanyora abanyamanyete isikabu wonso pi arago drill yakego nyeto kunyara ko sustain that pressure na bakonyora nga chiakurusiri out of balance. But basically ndo chaka otanga kinga nga finances you must have finance nyali votabugati bas nyali bako sokali tato nebesa uturuwani baba nyamuko nando kwanyoroira nirekero bonebesa kwa ungamba minyo gatubuge tutwali bakanyo chikura chinyinge sana nebesa baje tubagati gora abantu baito banalire bo. So ekaro kwa ndase siasa ero bakogenda nebesa umwana muntu to nyakungaina bante TV ganga to kwenda nebesa onya iga nebesa utagete urangiri ku citizen yo kominyo ka ujoro ukurara ngakine nebesa ukugenda no konyera bana. Igo
aina mangana otaliane ina gwateo
ekineke ene as we are living kero monto the world is competitive na ndo konda sangichi wesa ninda soke kubuli kero 2027 igo abantu bane baigwete ba
kero kerata ko roche from you sit
abonko ligina no bojumbe to minyo kana gisairo ndore kusimo bwe usambwe.
Thank you.
Yeah man.
Oyo Minto Isaac, looking at it, what is stopping you from vying as a content Nyamira? You as a youth.
Tangani. Tinda tawanga tindi kubuli. Maybe you are wrong. Kendi yakabere. No musko ya yikabo okwana chirida. Sasa mtaka pesa. Basi kuligere ni babo baske mbale babo salasia. Sometimes ndo ngerego ku epa hat. Lakini kando ko jana skulu siasa ya usiga iga. Eso taberenga nanda siasa zo watu pesa. I will line. Ngobanga tole. Nothing is stopping me from fine. Ngi yike. To banke basi. Kina tawanga tindi kubuli.
Ekoligerete ocho kubolingere keke. Na uto chakana campaign mapema. Because if you want something, you must tell us. No, Lydia Manja, no, Jerry Damayan Kaujo support, for instance. Yes. Why are you assuming Anto Tenene? Because Lydia is not going for the same, for instance. Yes.
I think the Mangana Manga and much of my son. After the loss of power, you conceal your intentions.
Thank you so much. Tugenda sange masemo na Jorida mheshimiwa Kabeiro mo MCA omochore second Nyamira mwaka 2017-2022 na bigo yo Minto Isaac masemo no yo Minto lead akune maga camera noche oyo Minto motutili wechiko soli gonte morina ntenge team ya Manchester United dakika 90 plus chigoli nivere ase wata gotambenga creative ya Shabana ya bwira se arogongora usi wekasi sema jimina na Bongereza wiketi ya Manchester United ikafunge ama namna gani toso ase hoyo Minto leader gato chukora no chiteka chamyo kireke ma leader kwali ko a chance yo chinche county Nyamira ngwa ro change
I'd change the whole leadership. Yes. I'm not saying that Balibara or Rombalibaya, but they're not meeting our expectations. They're not doing the best. They're not doing what we want them to do. I will change the whole leadership starting from my own MCA.
Who is your MCA, by the way?
But he is very old. No offense. No offense, Mheshimiwa, but Rinde, you are not fit enough to lead our ward. He's more than 70 years old. Right to my MP and then to my governor. Yes.
Alafu kwa kigotete kigoro chibatara koro ikraboni gankire keke gayurata ko manyene o change leadership yenyene eko kwadra no mamenyiwe county Nyamira.
I'll start from maybe my ward and my constituency. Our roads are impassable and we want transparency. Each and every day we see, each and every financial year, we see money being allocated to certain projects. But now we don't see what it's doing. Like when we talk about Nyamira County, we have projects that had timelines. And these projects were initiated by the late Nyakarama. Each and every financial year, there is money that is being injected to these projects. But the projects they're not moving. They're ziko tu pale pale. We need transparency, accountability, and at all, anene mtota gete chipara chito gakcha Nyamira chirose.
Asa wodi ampara keterweta because we saw gatich county chikwate na wanya equipments na bego chi machinery chukoro chipara ne county Nyamira.
Mbono chachete. And we hope that they are going to do the work that they were brought to do.
Eke study ke para terwete kai wodi onere.
Kebirogo, Nakiore, Kambiri. That road is impassable and it has really crippled so many people and it has killed so many people. Yes.
Thank you so much. Isaac, ikiora change ase county Nyamira ngere keke waskonya riba.
Immigration aba nanchi leito aba towards Abasae. I'll change it and then go to change also to ensure I was saying that when power no yakabere there is this spirit here in the middle of token.
Yes.
Tokenism. There is spirit here. Telling a cartopa room like Kerensa, it has tight. The other no money.
How will you manage go change a narrative on CP all along? How will you change it? How will you manage it?
We'll not need to go Abasae in the Tangani about youths. Kerande oyo mo ndra chinchi about ni you ya tokenism nezo vitu no koleta Abasae ende Tangani through ni sports paskava to engage them keratore PC nani jegerande engage somewhere tinga na revadi go chiko sali into kyomo go chiko raki. So we support these people through talents na abaskembale ogomanchira abaskembale nzigire sana Nyamira muskirene na ile tournament ya kabiri na ro.
In fact kuno kana to kwa naiko gati comment chiche kiratanga those people wako Getembe TV ni watu wa Mrs. Mayaka na boigo Arama. Actually a sample mama tawanga.
Should I reply to that?
Of course you can.
Okay. The one Abasani.
Umasani yo?
Arama is not my friend. He was my friend. Neri,
yes.
Now then I most of the time. Na lungo to. Oh no. Nageko na vera venga ondoli ka. Yes. No mondo ga.
Actually, that month I have like 16 messages with same information. Hawatanga hao ni watu wa mkono wa Mheshimiwa Arama na kwa hiyo waache kutuambia mangana ngite county ya Nyamira. Yes.
No, I think just to answer that
yes.
very quickly, I think each and every one of us, you, has a right to express
absolutely
themselves, and
yes.
you have a right to air out your political views. So that was maybe my political view, Isaac's political view, and Mheshimiwa's political view. You're also allowed to come here and air your view. Yes, without any discrimination or intimidation.
Thank you so much. Mheshimiwa kwa wako Isaac. Yes, proceed.
And ndo na kwa nani? Abasae, tutigo babo isaba Abasae. Let's not be a youth. Karoko rumu sabo kina. Tabunya kuwe na mamu. Tabunya kuwe na ko. To watira ne?
Yes.
To ko Nyamira yetu. Nyamira yetu ntorensi. Mosikete muna ngo muradaro Nyamira sango mintu.
Nyamira sina rotar. No offense, on a light note. Yes.
Unango tirimbo kuchari. Nyamira ngora of course lazima lala nyumbani. Unango anda kuchari. Boniga. Nandu kora uri nani tishu to konyo. Igoira boniga. I'm telling you the truth. Instead of affairs Nyamira boniga yangite.
Sofia yule vya sana ndenga Kisii county sisi ndo tuko. Yes.
Mede lakini nje neri kuna Abasae actually nje to be in particular ndangitika nkaninka.
What are you doing towards go changing? You know, every day na again dot Nyamira we behind. But if you go wherever Isaac, na kiura, what will you change exactly as a county Nyamira, or feel like now you comfortable as a county Nyamira?
I've said I want promise.
Apart from your impression and everything.
Okay, think of promise perfection, but I live an impact. Nyamira, no me da so much andore. Nando kiro muntu Nyamira na metomo chando asuri. I say in genetic you told it.
But now the much answer because if you want to change something. Okay, thank you. Mheshimiwa Jerida, I quite as politics to understand how everything works. Mheshimiwa, we have seen even the Mangana Penrase Assembly, the Kisii Assembly fights back and forth and everything. Mheshimiwa, like, is it health as a county Nyamira Krogolim the very big and Tatase Assembly?
Bia mano moraria. Chi segichire Nyamira na chi bono iga onye namagendera bone tukwenda Nyamira chi segichiria. Chagera magendera takogendera because there is no oversight currently. There's no legislation. There's nothing that is happening from the representation arm of the assembly of the county government. Now witness that chisegichiria kego before I left. Did it go to call it mtu atwalta na chisegi gali inkera kiniche mtu achikorete quickly boni chinaro jaba ko mnyokia abantu bakanemesi wago na kumetsana But you know, ekera abantu bali bagendete ne kisegi chiria. Nyore executive ere ogekirete. Ere at peace. Bagendete go distract the assembly. Baseli yo mo speaker. Assembly ya chire recess yetawate no no mo speaker bani binan kotini we. Barete oyorete kina kiaye oyumambia kwa nyore kotoda. Kwa nyora aba msimba bugate yabo. Kwa nyora speaker letre yaye. You know miaka yanko erere iga. Buna tuwa miaka yako chikoera iga tutabwati omo MC nyama ya ward. Na hiyo kitu itutoke hivyo tuongee tu itutoke.
Yacha kwa sumu.
We are wasting a lot of time. Ase Nyamirero, I am telling you. Ntu akorete kisegi chiri. Ande to buganga ki na bone kero moko waste time na abantu basika moko waste. Staff bachandigete. Staff bachandigete Nyamira bakorera onye no bugurimo bakare batotebisiko gaiga. Nchiti ngoma sama gosa ga kararo. Ngendro mugaba no ito no mungaini. Tende na baro mugaka iga rende lakini no mungaini yale sana. Aroti tingo kongaina to koibere nyalibere besa. Omonto komoibera bako matenga rolinka. Nche utima yusana kabwate ko bako gotambe koro kuntaiti ko mungacha. Lakini omwaka mwakere na babwene talengera lisana nge county eri kuchiri gutusi. Obora ingo sinyabore gekogera onyaga konyako onya bakwenda gitanda no mo speaker wanya gutuburukaniria assembly wonungu salibaro oborai bwaitu. Assembly bono ichieterise soka February. Kende nkiyo ni chikomiti bakonya guchia. Na nje na kalirire ndebese ye komiti lakini rende na bwato mo speaker on in place. I defended mo speaker. Abantu bali ba assembly bali kwancha baikaransemo. Bagiri ba defend mo speaker obo bakora mangana balengete. Executive mwinali bakali ko samurugo samura. I am very sure. Bagogete bono baguchinga maraika baguchinganga bantu bali mbayo. Ora ibweto Nyamira mboli buya asenginjo chisegi chiri. We are wasting a lot of time tali chioka na wani no aba MCA bali. Chinga kichaino nko era chine ndimo gende kamuta bwati kende. Musinyuko ira na chi ward inje na aba woni rikorubono. Na lengoro I had experience. Onye ndribanja. They sit down quickly, they make one decision. Onye no yoko sali mo speak olipi bamoseli. Onye barocha magoso. Onye no yoko moira ni ofisi ya kolegasi bamuwoni ya kolegasi. Correct. Naende watu are good relationship. Aba clerk yali mo clerk yoseliwe. Akega kego mo speaker. Amangana bono gaburuka ine Nyamira. Oborai bwaito Nyamira bwato sinyiro mugabana tugo sabanga atokonye akonya Abasae to bring on board tomokonyo borai onye bogo sinyaga kiga ono Nyamira nga yuchite bwati no ne roundabout te bwati no nye street lights chipara bono bira kitambo no bia chiri tumugabana naende guchakare chiklasta chichakire mawawa chiko chawika boge tutu tuakure tamu ya elire.
Thank you so much. Yes. Just a quick one. Is that time about as Gen Z? I believe I need Gen Z. Also, what is it more? Watch it.
Tinda karibia goitera mbono chage.
Mbono chage go Gen Z.
Yevon.
Mo what the meeting no magavan. Sasa we yo ko kana yo even no Abasae ka ko mai ko de no na mata bite Abasae. What was that?
Gen Z Nyamira County chapter, we had our own issues, not our own, but into about the issues to affiliating a whole of Nyamira County. Baro chabu no mochandore starting from Manga Stadium, Doctor's Plaza, Easy Project Zote. We had a sit down with the governor and he promised that he's going to articulate these issues one by one. Nabondoche, up to now, tinda roranga which response he has really given, but our agreement was he acts up as soon as possible. We had given him 7 days. Akasema 7 days ni kidogo. One of the issues ilikuwa Nyamira Gen Zs, they are tired of the youth CVC. Mama venye amesema, not my words, someone choma tegalia, lakini that is what they said. They want fresh blood omonto okorae docket iri. The governor said that he's going to extract the youth docket from that ministry abeke under the governor so that he can appoint a youth advisor. Up to now he has not done that. But then naro chenko na kuimurunga nibale tegabarari Christmas next day gamba molengereri onyi. But if these leaders don't want to work, Nyamira Gen Z in conjunction with the youths, they are going to make them work for the rest of the years that have remained because there is nothing that is going on. These MCs, they want to go but why be going to wachorete pachoko kora pachoko tongainaga. Come next year tobalenge tikidogo lende toba nyoringi mubonete okora onye mwasinyo.
Thank you so much. I will just connect for us you all. Just a minute each. We are parting shots. I start with.
Yeah.
Yes, just a minute.
Thank you so much for hosting us. I want to shout out my friends. I cannot mention all of you, but Rende, feel appreciated. I love you all. Beryl and Sophie, I love you. Enid, Ezekiel, Kiongozi, Isaac, and all that. All those. Now I sana together with my family. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'll minimize my minute. Asante sana. Yetu kuna ni Abasae, Tukuru Nyamira, those who have supported us. Paka tuikirega iga. Mbiyamano Sagini, that's what to host. Ndio kuireke for granted na vena kuyoje sana. Nyamira ndoda gete change. Ndio change ndo kwa yetu. Abasani bane tingo kwa ndaba kwaneti kina Beryl Babu Ware, and of course, my girlfriend, Maureen.
That's new.
I must mention. I must
mention.
I'm
giving you 30 seconds to one girlfriend.
So, yes. Maureen, wherever you are, from Mulia, Marakwet, long live. Nakumbe mema, enjoy your holidays. Nabasikiwa ribonsi, wa township board, Mheshimiwa Diko Yagi Masira, Dichego D, Eseki Kadadi, Purity Mwensi, ase mwaveta. Nyinyi ni watu wa nguvu, nyinyi ni watu wa power, tuko pamoja na tunataka kushirikiana. Tuche nchi Nyamira, we are youth, and kesho, tomorrow is promised. Tunyago sabira nama ya, asante sana.
Naiwa kaka Mheshimiwa Irene. Yataza by the way, Mheshimiwa.
Miyama sana muligeri yo Getembe TV. Mangana na parting shot is a county yetu ya Nyamira is a great county. Na ande asatorochi in the next few na votora nyalgo chencho borai na ndo borai yobo na bora nyako ba gotokonya. Etogo sabe county ngema both executive na assembly mobwaterane kabisa. Monyare ko ba mogo come to one agreement motokonyere Nyamira ya itongo chiere roche. Igotoko basaba sana. Moikaranse you solve the issues that are affecting the assembly and the executive. Monyare ko ba mogo tokonyere county. Mwisho kabisa ngotoma igana sabasani wane Sophia, Beryl, Honorable Bwari, Honorable Irene. Omosani one kabisa Irene has been my friend. Talinga na chagete ko mokolerega sindamokolerega si Irene will always remain to be my friend. She is my friend 001 by the way. Igobaka mosike na ande no mosani one bwenkoro. Ne familia na nyeira maiga na kwani sister yo kuruko Clara na kwani abasani bane be ofisi yaito ya Irene Mayaka. Wote wapokee salamu zangu. Sagini mbiyamona sogo to host. Na kwani abasani bane bonsi bibabo bale abantu bonsi be county ya Nyamira. I love you so much. Ndo binto bya Nyamira bigotoka.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming, and we don't take it for granted equally. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Asante sana much feedback we really appreciate. We don't take it for granted. And na mkondani na kila mtu Collins better. Thank you so much na kila mtu asante sana Sophia. Na for being part of this. Thank you so much Sophia. Na oyo mitoberela nyabare. Thank you so much for being mtana Sophia. Rangi mtoto sana kwa maana ile siasa sa county ya Kisii na mwigense ya Kenya msalute na bego bali bamos bene Kenya ya moro video class nchini Kenya bakora wanu mutenene kwa mangana ya Getembe Television Getembe FM ile kabuga. Thank you so much for making it happen. Na bego yo nimagaye camera bakora kwa Joshua Tsungura na bego DJ. Thank you so much kule class sasa ya kaburi studio kule Kenya chipicha ni ile class nchini Kenya. Thank you so much kariri bego moto ya Kenya wetu ya Manchester United na kero chili chajibara chingiega because ari ngamaga kabana bego Manchester yatika ko irugo wina boigo timu ya Shabana tulibowe. Asante sana ni mtumishi makoni chenko kwa brand sangisena chabigesta ka ikomicho katunyara na sikiunga chinsanya simchira yuka.
Zikun Clinic ni nyagitari ya kerero iyo kurwa obokorari bw'obugwenia asamarwire au asugutumika amaliogo akurwa chinse chamaiko nigo bakubwenia asugutumika chimashini chinkongu echi chikuligiriria na kunenkia omuchando bomorwaire inyura nigo bakulingolia babwenia na kurwa amaliogo nigoliria boli amaliogo nigoliria mubuko na eliororo nikubwenia bali emechando buna pressure arthritis esukari ulcers kulingania chu marwiri yenda marwiri Abasae n'abakungu gatiya yande amange nigo bakwigura akira litukuri ya Jumatatu guika Ijumaa gucagara chinsa ibere chamambya guika chinsa 11 chamagoroba batalere imeyo muchobosongo asamagacho a Uhuru Towers lirongolia gatatu use ubakire simi ase enamba enoti isano na ibere enoti isatu ibere eyemo ibere enoti gose enoti isano na ibere isato isano nemo isano na ibere kianda ibere isano nemo inye School Clinic asobokorari obuya minyoka.
Pink Premier Academy ne yamuye chiskuru cy'uburuso ecyo kikubeko buruso byeko cyasumwano ase okwanyolera egasomo ecyo kiramakonye asamatukale busyo ezukuru yiga yekutuka ase bara ya Kisii kiogoro jinsemo kiri cyamenyingwa ebare kogenda chinsemo kiri cyamasongo igo ebwateli bagari giyali nene asabana bakokosoreria elyo kuburugirana gukine talanta cyabo ebirasi byabo nebigale ebyo bire ebiya nabibwata mazingira ayo akwirira abana gosoma buya ngosome bali kurwa playgroup PP1 and PP2 asbigo bagasoma kurwa grade 1 weka grade 6 nabwo na junior secondary school nigo babwate science laboratory eyorengiya sabana bakolela amegelyo school yiga igo egwanchira umurubiri umuye w'amasomo OCBC asebwata bali mabuberwete abo bakwegeriya abana buya ale n'amasomo nigo school yiga ekolera ebyegwa asebabwate music and drama efisi yabo ni gukwana neligo lya mubuko asibego babwate merulyo ao kolengana muno konyora gwichiya mate ili kweniki ngakira umwana ngonyorale egesomo nigo bakuru bosombi kucyasa bali bara HD scholar asibego bali bara se boarding babwata mazingira maya yo gusoma intechnigo egendrete tutalelero ili kwibwatania kabaye oyo mubwa bali bakwibwatania munichi semi ejujira abayirere konyora obugimu buyasama tuko ali busyo asamange nabugwa kisimbwiterase kinaba kitwa 0710755578 gose 0714673963 Pink Premier Academy asubu wibuko chakira eliyoko ko ankyo yao engiya.
Christamarian Mission Hospital niyo koreranga ba mentire obokorere bwaye nakoba ubuyakigima
asamarieta ngoro kwa diuka poko no munyagitari korwa se nyagitari ya basista ya Christamarian bono enyagitari ya Christamarian ngoro yere muroberi oribo korikia banto oswa sha ntori gwakania kwerikia sware linda lyonsi oratware na botogo konya
buno mbabwate CT scan na boigo mbabwate ensema ya ICU na high dependence unit HDU
Jumatatu ndobwate kliniki ky'abantu balibe lisangu ekoro kwa dermatology clinic na psychiatric clinic asa abantu balibe bwato burwire bw'obongo Juma ine ndobwate ekliniki keriki abana gekoro ku pediatric clinic na ekliniki y'abangina gynecology clinic
mbabwate ensema ya dialysis eyo yekerero use the latest ensema ya laboratory
Jumatano ndobwate ekliniki kerikia surgery asibali bako barwa bado Jumatano ndobwate ekliniki y'abangina naba rwere bali pia babwata magana ya mauga babonekire babekire chichuma koro kwa orthopedic clinic aramisi ntobwate medical outpatient ekoro kwa MOPC eliya marwere mono muna ejusukari pressure malaria eyokoba aramisi
tiweba Christamarian nebwate ambulance asaba konyi bwa emergency usibwango
asa abarwaire bari barwarite chinyiko ntobwate clinic kera kigeo korwa kira omotienyo 6 asa omwaka lakini bono twachirete tamo kira omotienyo 3 onye yabanja no twakora gotokora match yende twakora omotienyo 6 oyondo omotienyo 9 asa omwaka clinic chia